You are losing your web design client in the first 5 minutes if you don't do these 5 things. You don't need a new service. You don't need more testimonials. You need a better system, and that's exactly what I'll give you. We have helped web design agencies go from $500 clients to $5,000 projects plus recurring revenue streams without hiring sales teams or running ads. The secret? We've replaced outdated outreach methods with AI that does 80% of the heavy lifting. If you want high-ticket clients booking calls with you on autopilot, this is how. Honestly, this video is the sales playbook you need, so save it and hit that like button. Let's get started. Number 1, use AI to build lead magnets that actually work. You are not getting sales because you are asking for attention without giving value. AI fixes that. Go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Act as a digital marketing strategist. Build me a 3-step checklist I can give to real estate agents to help me get more leads from their website. And that's it. You now have a lead magnet tailored to a niche. You take that, design a landing page, and offer it as a free resource. That's how you go from a web designer to problem solver. This free resource naturally leads back to you. Now you're not just cold pitching, you're solving a problem your client already has. Number 2, turn case studies into cold emails that get replies. Your past results are your most powerful sales asset, but most of you aren't using them. You build great sites, you help businesses grow, but your emails still say, hey, just checking if you need web design help, etc. That's amateur work. Here's what to do instead. Basically, you take a real client result like helped a fitness coach 2x her bookings after redesign. Now go to ChatGPT and prompt, write a cold email for a web agency that helped a fitness coach double her bookings by fixing her site. Make it short, punchy, and focused on ROI. Instantly, you've got an email that sounds like this. Hey, we recently helped a fitness coach double her bookings after a quick site update. Want to see what we changed? Now that gets replies. Why? Because it's not about you. It's about what you did and what you can do for them. Number 3, walk into every call with AI-powered research. You know what separates the $10,000 client closers from the $500 freelancers? Context. You should never walk into a sales call blind ever. And in 2025, there's no excuse you have AI. Before a single sales call, I asked ChatGPT to analyze businesses' online presence, social media tone, reviews, and site copy. In 2 minutes, I get everything I need to personalize my pitch faster than any VA could do. Basically, AI turns you from random freelancer to strategic partner, and when they feel understood, they're ready to buy. Let's say a gym owner books a discovery call. Before the call, ask ChatGPT, act as a conversion expert. What are 3 things most gym websites get wrong that lose them leads? Use first principle thinking for it. Now, when you open the call saying, so I noticed your homepage doesn't showcase testimonials, and in fitness, that's where the trust is built. You have already won. Clients don't want websites. They want people who understand their business. This is how you prove that in the first 5 minutes. Use AI to pitch better. Now here's the big money mistake most agencies make. They pitch the project, then disappear. You build the site, send out the invoice, and you're done. That's not business, that's a one-night stand. So here's the fix, and it starts with this offer. We'll build your site, but we'll also take care of it every single day. Now add AI. Use ChatGPT to help you craft your full care plan offer. Site updates, speed optimization, backups, malware scans, and then WP Remote is what we recommend for agencies managing multiple sites. You can handle backups, malware, speed, all automated. So now your pitch sounds like, we don't just build sites, we keep them fast, secure, and running even after the launch. You focus on growth, we handle the rest. That's not just recurring revenue, that's peace of mind, and clients pay for that. Number 5, automate your follow-ups with AI. Follow-up is another big thing where most agencies lose the deal. We do a call, you say you'll send a proposal, then it takes you 3 days to get it out, by then they are gone. After every discovery call, feed your notes with ChatGPT and say, Turn these notes into a persuasive web design proposal focused on ROI, pain points, and trust. Then set up email sequences using the same AI tools. You can even say, write me 3 reminder emails spaced over 2 weeks, nudging the client to take action on the proposal. And maybe even get a DM for Instagram ready. Now you're not chasing, you are closing. The faster you follow up, the more deals you win, and AI makes it instant. And here's a bonus tip. Don't wing it on sales calls. Use AI to rehearse tough objections before you get on the call. Act as a business owner. Challenge me on why a $3,000 website is worth it. Now you're practicing with the robot before you face the real client. So if you want more high-ticket web design clients in 2025, stop guessing and start using AI. Here's the full playbook again. Use AI to build lead magnets, turn case studies into cold emails, research before every call, pitch better, automate your follow-ups, rehearse and close with confidence. If this helped, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment if you want AI prompt templates I use myself. I'll send them to you. See you in the next one. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.